Welcome to creating bar charts in the Workbook editor. This video will focus on creating a bar chart to visualize our data effectively. Let's begin. We start by navigating to the toolbar on the left side and selecting Visuals. From here, we choose the horizontal bar chart. Upon selection, the bar chart object will appear, giving you the ability to reposition and resize the chart as needed. Moving on to the Object panel, you will notice 4 tabs available. We begin with the Data tab and the selection of a dimension. By clicking the plus symbol, a searchable list will appear. After selecting your dimension, we proceed to select a measure in a similar fashion. When selecting a measure, you will be presented with the most common operations in analytics. Scrolling down the Object panel, we arrive at the Sorting section. In this example, we will reposition the options by selecting the handle bar on the left side, ensuring that the information is sorted by sales. In the Data tab, we move to the limiting area and adjust the limit to 5, refining the data displayed on the bar chart. As we configure the bar chart, we revisit the measure and click the checkbox to show data labels, adjusting the formatting of the labels appropriately. Next, we move to the Filter tab. For this dashboard, we want the bar chart to display data only for the year 2023, so we apply this filter accordingly. Thank you for watching. For more help, please visit help.astrato.io.